Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to cook turkey breast on the bone. This is perfect for smaller gatherings on Christmas, Thanksgiving, New Year's, really any holiday when you don't want to make a giant whole turkey. The recipe link is right below the video. This turkey breast is about 7 pounds. It was frozen. I thawed it in the fridge, which took 2 to 3 days. After thawing, you can safely leave it in the fridge for about 3 days, which I did. Just follow the directions on your turkey. This has a pop-up timer, which is not always reliable, so definitely use a meat thermometer. I've washed the turkey and will pat it dry with paper towels. Also dry the cavity. Heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Use a roasting pan or a sheet tray with a rack like this. For the seasoning mix, salt, ground black pepper, garlic powder, and dried thyme. Mix that up. We'll also need melted unsalted butter. Now you can go under the skin and put butter and seasoning in there. The skin broke a tiny bit when I opened the package, so I'm going to leave it alone. I do want the skin to cover the breast during cooking and not have it open up after a tear. Rub the melted butter all over the outside and rub some inside the cavity. Next, spread the seasoning all over the turkey and some in the cavity. Of course, you can add additional spices like paprika or chili powder to make it spicy. I'm just showing you a very simple but tasty mix of spices, especially because I plan to serve the turkey with gravy. It's not pretty, looks like something from the Alien movies, but you're gonna serve it carved, so it's okay. We'll need some water to pour on the tray, but put the turkey in the heated oven first. The breast is tall, so you may have to remove one of the racks in your oven. Pour the water on the tray. Cook in the heated oven for 1 hour and 45 minutes. Check once or twice during cooking and add more water to the tray if it has evaporated. After 1 hour 45 minutes, the temperature is 163 degrees and you can remove it from the oven. Do check both sides of the breast, as mine was slightly underdone on one side. Set aside and cover loosely with foil. The temperature will rise a little bit while it's resting. This is why you should not rely completely on the pop-up timer. When the breast was 170, the timer did not pop out. After 5 minutes of resting, it popped out. I think this timer is supposed to pop out around 170 degrees just to be safe. So if you leave the turkey in the oven until 170, it'll get a little dry once you take it out and let it rest. It is best to take it out of the oven around 165, leave it out for 10-15 minutes, and the meat will be perfectly cooked and juicy. Remove the rack and turkey from the tray. Pour all the juices from the tray into a bowl and use this to make a tasty gravy. You can use my gravy recipe that I've linked below. Carve the breast. I hope you can see how juicy it is. The skin's nice and crispy. The meat is incredibly juicy, especially the piece right under the skin, because the fat under the skin melts and just coats the meat. You saw how simple this was to make. It's quick and hassle-free. I hope you give this a try at your next gathering and let me know how you like it. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.